Good day, listeners. I welcome you all to Obi-Wan Daily News. My name is Christian Precious. Let's have a look at important news for the day. Soldiers block scene of planned EndSARS protest in Abuja. EndSARS, Governor Obiado inaugurated judicial panel. EndSARS, no protesters should be brutalized by army. National Union journalists wants federal government, and many other news. Nigerian soldiers have been deployed and currently blocking the scene of planned EndSARS protest in the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Some of the military officers mounted the popular Iron roundabout early Monday morning with a roadblock and barricade. Also, police officers are stationed in front of the Central Bank of Nigeria headquarters with a roadblock and barricade. Protesters are defining Sunday night rain and camped overnight outside CBN's headquarters, protesting police brutality and extrajudicial killings. Ogun State Governor Prince Dapo Abiodun has inaugurated the State Judiciary Panel of Investigation on the EndSARS protest with a call on members to make fairness, dedication, and objectivity their watchwords. The governor, who spoke while inaugurating the panel in the East Office at Okumosin, Abeokuta, enjoyed the panel to show all acts that could impact negatively on their assignments. They urged stakeholders in the security, peace, and conflict resolution processes, as well as the mass media, to give the panel the needed support to succeed. He said, "Needless to remind you all of the import of your assignment to the continued peace and security of our dear state, in particular, our great nation in general. The people of our dear state await the outcome of your assignment. Indeed, I expect you to commence your assignment immediately and hold an inaugural meeting today. It is imperative that you make fairness, dedication, and objectivity your watchword. You must show all acts of which could impact negatively on your duty. In the same vein, I enjoin all stakeholders in the security, peace, and conflict resolution process, the mass media, and in fact, all the people of our dear state to give this judicial panel of investigation all the necessary support and cooperation needed for them to succeed," he said. As men of the Nigerian took the overstreets across the country in the same of Operation Crocodile Smile, the Oyo State Council of the Nigerian Union of Journalists has called on President Muhammadu Buhari to instruct the troops to ensure that none of the protesting youths is killed or brutalized during the exercise. The National Union journalists made the call on Monday in a statement signed by the state chairman, Adamola Babayola, and Secretary Oladapo, urging the Chief of Army Staff, General Tuke Brute, to direct his men to exercise utmost caution and ensure adherence to citizens' friendly rules of engagement. Babalola reminded the soldiers that the ongoing nationwide protest, which started as a clamor for the disbandment of the Special Anti-Robbery Squad, was not just about police reform, but also about getting those in leadership positions to head the cell to make the country a better place for the citizens. Edo State government on Monday set up a 12-man judicial panel of inquiry into circumstances surrounding the EndSARS protest in the state. Secretary to the state government, Osarodion Oge, in a statement, disclosed that the panel has been given 90 days to complete the assignment. According to him, the panel was set up in response to the yearnings of Nigerian youths, as articulated in the demands of the EndSARS protesters. Oge said the terms of reference of the panel are to receive complaints and persecutions from the general public, particularly victims or relatives of victims of police brutality and extrajudicial killings, and to recommend measures including compensation and restoration, investigation and prosecution as the circumstances warrant. Thank you for being with us. For more news, keep watching Obi-Wan News.